Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the you may like suggestions on TikTok. First is open your TikTok app and on the home screen tap the search icon at the top and you'll see a section called you may like. Now, here's the thing. There's no real way to remove this completely. It's built into the app and it changes based on your watch history. But here's what you can do. Go back to your home screen and tap your profile at the bottom right. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner. Next is tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find Activity Center. Tap that, then open your watch history. Now, tap Select, then choose Select All and hit Delete. This will delete your watch history from the last 180 days. Once that's done, go back to the search page. You should notice that you may like suggestions start to change or even disappear since they're based on your watch history. And just like that, the videos that you watched before won't show up in that section anymore. The suggestions will now come from whatever you're currently watching on your home screen. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.